National Green Tribunal has now issued clear directions regarding crackers for the entire country, just days ahead of Diwali. The NGT has announced a complete ban on sale and use of firecrackers in Delhi NCR from midnight tonight to the end of this month. The order is going to be reviewed after 1 month. However, in other parts of the country, the ban is going to be imposed depending on the air quality. Green crackers are allowed in cities where the air quality index is below moderate. Last year, the Green Court has given 2 hours to burst crackers and the sale of crackers where the AQI is in good quality. Meanwhile, no firecrackers are allowed in public and private places in Mumbai, and only soundless crackers are allowed in Diwali. As far as Haryana is concerned, firecrackers are allowed on Diwali and Guru Purab from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. On Christmas and New Year's Eve, bursting firecrackers is allowed from 11:55 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. Manjeet Sehgal is now joining us live for the latest on this. Manjeet, where do things stand as far as Punjab is concerned?
Well, Jyoti, as far as Punjab is concerned, state government has not issued any direction, but sources close to the government are telling us that they will be following the NGT orders. Remember, the Punjab and Haryana High Court had already restricted the bursting of crackers between 8 to 10 p.m. And as far as Haryana is concerned, Haryana government had also relaxed the ban for 2 hours between 8 to 10 p.m. And as far as Chandigarh, the UT administration is concerned, they have completely banned the use of firecrackers. Even a group of firecracker sellers had met the Chandigarh administration and had requested them to allow them to sell the full jhadis, anars and other firecrackers, but that has also been turned down, saying that the administration cannot put the life of senior citizens in danger. And as far as the pollution being caused by stubble is concerned, 60,000 cases have been reported in Punjab. Farmers continue to burn the paddy stubble despite the government restrictions and the fine being imposed on farmers.
All right, Manjeet, leave it at that. Thanks so much for getting our viewers up to speed with the very latest as far as the story is concerned. Anisha Mathur also joins us. Anisha, if you could just clarify the NGT orders for our viewers. There's a fair bit of confusion. While Delhi NCR has banned firecrackers completely, what about the rest of the country where the air quality isn't better quality? If I could throw straight across to you, and does that then be the onus then go on the state government to decide if the air quality is fine?
Well, Chaiti, the onus is on the state governments to implement, but the air quality categorizations are very, very clear. There is no confusion. If their air quality is between 0 to 200, which is good or moderate air quality, then green crackers can be burst, but only restricted to 2 hours on the day of the festival itself. If your air quality in your city is 200 or more, which is like in Delhi, the current AQI index is about 480 right now, which basically brings it to the severe or hazardous air category. So a very poor, severe or hazardous air quality in your city means that you cannot burst crackers. Now, it is for the state governments to implement this ban. It is for the state governments and the state pollution control boards to come up with the guidelines specifically. But each city's air quality has been looked at by the NGT. In fact, what they've also looked at is the NGT, is the CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board, reports that there are 122 cities across the country, and not just in the NCR, but across the country, which have consistently severe or hazardous category air quality. So in these category cities have now been termed as the non-attainment cities, that their quality is so bad that you cannot come to a good category in this time period traditionally for the last couple of years. So in those cities and every other city or town which has bad air quality, you cannot burst crackers at all. That is what the NGT has said. Now it is for the state governments to ensure that guidelines specifically are issued for each city and town in their state, as well as guidelines across for the entire state. But in any case, no matter where you are in this country, if you're in a city which has good air quality, then you can only burst green crackers for 2 hours on the day of the festival. You cannot burst crackers which are not green crackers. You cannot burst crackers at any point of time out of that restricted time
All right.
period.
Leave it at that. Thanks, Anisha, for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.